Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a section in Shopify. Sometimes you may want to clean up your store's layout by removing unnecessary sections. Let's dive in. First, log into your Shopify admin. To do so, just go to shopify.com, then enter your account credentials. As you can see, I'm already logged in. In your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store from the left sidebar here. Then click Themes. After that, select Customize for your current theme. Now, find the section you want to remove. In the theme editor, you'll see a list of sections on the left-hand side. Scroll through the list to find the section you want to remove, or you can choose it in the display right here. Once you've located the section, hover over the section's name and click on the three dots next to it, or click on it. Select Remove section from the drop-down menu. It's here with the trash can icon, and select Remove. Make sure you want to remove that section. Select Remove, and it will be removed from your layout. And that's it. You've successfully removed a section from your Shopify store. This helps keep your website clean and focused. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.